really close to the tornadic circulation right now. Oh, daggone it.
Wow. Damn.
He's the closest that we have by far, I think. And by the way, guys, you can see all these people in the WeatherWise app. You know, I've got to bounce around. Oh, do you see? I think that, okay, never mind. Those are headlights. I've got to bounce around and talk about multiple things. If you just want to watch Adam Lucio's feed, or if you just want to see the velocity, or if you just want to see the correlation coefficient on